Hey guys, what is up? My name is Jen. If you are new here, welcome to our channel. If you are returning, thank you for your support. Now, through the month of June, I decided to do a Walmart, Target, and Shein series for bike shorts. Now, it doesn't necessarily need to be a series or a theme. I just thought because bike shorts are really in right now that we would go ahead and compare them from all of these places and see if we like them, what we think, are they comparable. So if you are interested in any of that, I would urge you to subscribe and stay tuned, and we'll go ahead and get started. First outfit, if you saw my vlog, you'll know that I got this pretty cute little thing. Now, I saw this, of course, on a taller, skinnier girl, and I thought it was so adorable. I had to try it myself, and I am pleased with it as far as the length goes. So I am exactly 5 feet tall. I am 32 around the waist, 36 over here. I wear between a large and extra large on top and on bottom, depending on the brand, and usually a 14 on the bottoms. So with that being said, look at this. Look at this. And I am wearing some wedges, but they're not very big at all. They're like, I'm just super excited that the length fits. I thought these were gonna be so long, and it's just so adorable, and I really like it. Let me just show you the shoes. So see, they're just a wedge heel. I ordered these from Kohl's.com a while back. I'll try and link them down below. Again, everything I will link down below if they are available, or I will list something similar for you guys, also in the Walmart brand or a Walmart brand if available. So this top has this really cute little tie knot here. It has this like smocked underneath, so it stretches really nice. So it still accentuates like the curves. Also, stripes are hard when you're short or chubby, because they can also make you look a lot larger than you are, which I was sort of worried about. Now, I don't know that I'm actually gonna keep this, but it was really fun to try. I do like it. The material feels great. It's a cotton material. I do feel like it will have the possibility of either shrinking or crinkling in the wash. So I probably wouldn't dry this. I would probably air dry it just so that it keeps its shape. It does have, like I said, the scrunchie or the smock material under here. Let me go ahead and show you guys how cute the back is. So it has this gap here, so they're like high-waisted pants. And then it's like a halter top almost on the top. So it's super cute all the way around. And like I said, the length is good if you are short. So this one was a little bit more pricey. It is from the No Boundaries brand, but it is $14.96. I do think this is a great picnic outfit. Something for that type of environment. Very cute. Let's go ahead and we'll get started into our haul. The first outfit I want to get into is I have some more of the active wear. Now these are actual bike shorts, athletic bike shorts. Now I prefer the legging bike shorts versus the athletic bike shorts, but these were so cute and affordable from Walmart. You will have to check out the first part of the bike short haul to catch those, but these are more of the same, and they are only $9.96. And I decided to pair it with this side it has a side ruche here on it. Very cute shirt. It is in between like the cotton. It does sort of have the super soft feel from No Boundaries. This was in a size large and it is $7.96. So I want to pair these together with some you can wear this one with flip-flops or tennis shoes. So we'll try this on. Hey guys, here are the leopard print shorts with that black side ruched t-shirt. This is such a cute and comfortable outfit. I mean, wow, look at this. And again, the real athletic wear bike shorts hold in your like lumps for lack of a better word. So I really like these because they're not squeezing my thighs too hard and it's still giving it like that sleek look, like everything is put in place where it should be. I think it very much accentuates the curves very well. That is something that I do like about the real athletic wear versus the leggings bike shorts. But let me tell you, I'm all about the legging bike shorts when it comes down to it. But these are super nice. I was a little bit afraid because animal print can go south real quick if you don't pair it right. I'm sure you guys have all seen it. I'm sure we've all seen people of Walmart. No offense whatsoever. I'm just saying that I'm very cautious when I dress animal print. So this is a nice subtle way to do that. Again, accentuates the curves. Very comfortable. Here is the back. And I just paired it with some flip-flops from Skechers. I got these at Kohl's. They always have something like this. And now you have to go like where these are hanging on a rack like flip-flops do in Kohl's. At least in my Kohl's, the way you find them is in the like shapewear or scarves undergarment type section. They have a little hidden area in the corner with all of these Skechers shoes. So keep an eye out for that if you weren't aware. That's just a little extra tip or hint. Or at least, you know, I thought so. Alright, so the next outfit I want to show you, I was super excited to find this at Walmart. I must have found this like the same day that they put this out because they had my size in both the top and the bottom. Now these are sold separately. They are the super soft material, and the bottoms I did grab in a size large for $5.98. Now look at how cute this is. It's just so pretty, the tie-dye colors. And then here is the top. It is a little bit cropped, but I think because the shorts are so high-waisted, you won't be able to tell. And I also, oh, it looks like I grabbed this in an extra large. I think because of the way the sizing looked, and this was only $5. So this whole outfit together was less than $10. Or, well, I guess we can say $11, which isn't bad at all. Alright, here is the full tie-dye set. I really like it. Both the top and bottom are the super soft material. I'm not sure if I mentioned that. The large feels very good. Still has some stretch to it. Very comfortable. Very lightweight, even though it does have that fuzzy material. Now the top, I did grab in an extra large because of the length is what I was more concerned with. I do think you can go ahead and do your regular size. I should have grabbed this in a large because you can see here it is going to show some of your bra, or you can just layer it with a tank top underneath if this happens. So I may try and go back and exchange this before they sell out because I do really like this outfit. I did also pair it again with those same Skechers flip-flops. Very comfortable, easy to wear, feels very fresh. You can definitely work outside or, you know, hang out with the family, those type of things with this outfit. Alright, the next outfit, the next set is gonna be kind of the same they're going to be all the same pieces, just pieced in a different way, if that makes sense. And as we continue, you will see what I mean. But I'm really excited because Walmart sells a 2-pack. This was a set of 2. And the little thing broke off, but they do come together. It's a set of 2, and they were $19.99. I don't know why this says a size medium, because both these pieces are in a large, so I think they just got the tagging wrong. But they do come as a set. These I found in the athletic area, so these are actual athletic leggings, but I did try these on so that I could pair these for 2 reasons. One, I wanted to make sure that I didn't look disgusting in them, showing them to you guys. And 2, this looks like my skin tone when I wear this color, and I wanted to make sure to give you guys a nice, casual, elegant, for lack of a better word, look with these, so that you didn't look all those ways I was just describing. And also because I did order the same color of leggings from Victoria's Secret and Shein, so I wanted to do a comparison of all 3 for you guys. So with all of that being said, let's go ahead and first I am going to, oops, this doesn't have a hanger top. Okay, first I am going to pair the black leggings with this really cute t-shirt. So it's ruched on both sides, and it ties on both sides as well. And it is a newspaper print, but it's also ribbed. Let me see if you can see the ribbing. It might be hard for you to see that ribbed detail, so it does give you that extra stretch. This is in a size large from No Boundaries, and this was $7.98. So let's go ahead and take a look at this outfit first. All right, here is those nice leggings. They are capri, and they do work well with short people. So they are capris on me, so keep that in mind. Now these pants, let's start with that. They just make you look so snatched in the midsection. I am in love with them. They are super comfortable. They are still very stretchy, very breathable. They're a very lightweight material. If you were to sweat in these, I don't think that they would absorb, because they are that material that doesn't quite absorb the moisture. So that is great news. And the top. Now you can pair these with any of the shirts that I've shown you. I only chose to share it with this top because I thought this top was so cute, and I thought it went really well with leggings, just in general. I had been looking for a shirt like this. Kim Kardashian wore a dress that, of course, accentuated her curves like it always does, and I just thought it was so cute, but I didn't know how to wear it. So when I found this, I was like, oh yes, I am definitely going to try this on, and I do like it. I like the fact that it is stretchy still, and it has a cute little detail. This very much reminds me of a top that we would see from Shein, which is also an excitement for me because Shein is one of my favorite places to shop. So with that, I also have a white t-shirt that I will pair it with, just so you guys can get an idea of how these look with a regular plain top as well. Okay, here is the outfit with a plain white top. It looks very nice and sleek. This is the same top from the previous Walmart haul. I just wanted to pair it with these pants to give you guys an idea of how they look. And I just paired it with some regular tennis shoes. So it looks very comfortable, casual, and yet like you're still, you know, doing the thing. All right, I'm going to keep this shirt on, and I'm going to pair that with the pink pants as well as the a couple of other shirts. So let's get those started. Alright, here are the pink pants. It's the same thing. The length is just above the ankle. Now, if you're not careful, these totally look like your skin color, and I don't know how you feel about that, but I like to make sure that people can tell I'm wearing pants. So I did choose to wear it with a longer shirt so that it can cover all of like the creases here and hide whatever, just because of the color, not because of the other things. But yeah, they're very nice, and I think it looks really cute with this white top. Definitely looks very athletic, very, you know, like you're going on a jog or a walk. And I paired it with the same tennis shoes. Now I'm going to pair it for you with the black. I'm going to pair it with the black ruched shirt as well. Okay, here it is with a black top. Again, just want to focus on the length so that, you know, all of your things aren't showing, that type of thing. I think it's really important to dress these colors just right. Of course, you know, that is just my preference. I'm sure, I feel like looking in the camera, it looks like I have no pants on, but this is just an idea of what we can do with this. So because of these pants, I may be returning the set, which is a bummer because I really love the black pair. I do love these ones, but like I said, you'll have to let me know what you guys think, because, you know, do you guys struggle with the same thing? Like, would you wear a pair of pants that match your skin tone? I sort of have like a mental issue with that. So anyway, I do think it looks really cute again with this ruched top. Just very quickly, I forgot about these really cute army green or army purple shorts that I ordered online from the brand Eye Candy. And I'm not sure how much these were. I will put it over here when I figure that out. But I kind of want to wear that with this ruched shirt. So let me show you that before we conclude this video. Alright, here are the purple army print. I really like these. They're the super soft material. Even though they're not the No Boundaries brand, they feel very similar. They do not have pockets though, so keep that in mind. And the only reason I ordered these online was because they don't have my size in any of the Walmarts that I had went to. So I was struggling to find bike shorts that I really like. These are definitely a good one to have. I really liked them. Here, let's see. Here is the back. And they also, they're just like any of the other Walmart ones. They're very comparable. So I thought I would share that with you guys. And I do really like it with this ruched shirt. Like this shirt, I'm going to be wearing it a lot, I think. So yeah, anyway, thank you guys for joining and tuning in. I will be doing a Target haul. I'm waiting for some things to come in and finish being shipped to me. Because again, my size was out in our Targets. I also will be doing a Shein haul, and I will be doing a Victoria's Secret semi-annual sale for their leggings and sports bras, and I'm going to compare those across the board with mostly with Shein, because Shein is a lot cheaper, sometimes even cheaper than Walmart. And I thought it'd be a good idea to kind of do a side-by-side comparison, as well as if I were able to find anything at Walmart and Target that is similar, I'm going to have that all set up for you guys. So please make sure to subscribe if you haven't, and if you are interested, that way you get the notification when that is up. So we will see you. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and we will see you in our next haul. Bye guys!